Always. I always use my phone. I always use my phone. Usually. I usually walk to work. I usually walk to work. Often. I often read books at night. I often read books at night. Sometimes. I sometimes watch movies at home. I sometimes watch movies at home. Occasionally. I occasionally visit my old friends. I occasionally visit my old friends. Rarely. I rarely eat fast food. I rarely eat fast food. Never. I never smoke cigarettes. I never smoke cigarettes. Always. I always wake up at 7. I always wake up at 7. Usually. I usually eat lunch at noon. I usually eat lunch at noon. Often. I often listen to music. I often listen to music. Sometimes. I sometimes travel with friends. I sometimes travel with friends. Occasionally. I occasionally bake chocolate cookies. I occasionally bake chocolate cookies. Rarely. I rarely stay up very late. I rarely stay up very late. Never. I never forget my keys. I never forget my keys. Always. I always wash my face in the morning. I always wash my face in the morning. Usually. I usually water the plants every day. I usually water the plants every day. Often. I often cook dinner at home. I often cook dinner at home. Sometimes. I sometimes eat dinner outside. I sometimes eat dinner outside. Occasionally. I occasionally practice yoga at home. I occasionally practice yoga at home. Rarely. I rarely watch television at night. I rarely watch television at night. Never. I never miss my morning coffee. I never miss my morning coffee. Always. I always brush my teeth nightly. I always brush my teeth nightly. Usually. I usually go to bed at 10. I usually go to bed at 10. Often. I often miss my meditation. I often miss my meditation. Sometimes. I sometimes eat sushi. I sometimes eat sushi. Occasionally. I occasionally jog in the park. I occasionally jog in the park. Rarely. I rarely add sugar to my tea. I rarely add sugar to my tea. Never. I never drink alcohol. I never drink alcohol. Always. I always charge my phone at night. I always charge my phone at night. Usually. I usually order noodles for lunch. I usually order noodles for lunch. Often. I often ride my bike after work. I often ride my bike after work. Sometimes. I sometimes print my notes. I sometimes print my notes. Occasionally. I occasionally donate old clothes. I occasionally donate old clothes. Rarely. I rarely borrow money from friends. I rarely borrow money from friends. Never. I never ignore my messages. I never ignore my messages.